Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to craft the Air Tank Terrarium Ornament in Heartopia Colorful's event. Okay, first you need to unlock the recipe, guys. You can go to the Colorful's event menu and you need to reach level, wait, let me scroll all the way to the left. Okay, this one, Air Tank Terrarium Ornament. If you want to unlock this recipe, you need to reach level 25 and just keep doing the weekly challenge and also the daily challenge to level up your colorful event level. And then you can go to your workbench and you're going to scroll down to find the recipe, this one. And then to make this item you need stone, ore, and also pearl oyster material pack, and I'm going to craft it. Oh, that's so cute. All right, it's already done. Oh, and then let me open up in my backpack. Alright, this one, for the placement type, you can place it on the ground, flooring, table, and also the pool surface, and it's dyeable. Okay guys, and that's how you can make the air tank ornament, air tank terrarium ornament in Heartopia Colorful's event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.